What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you guys I need to do something real quick. So I want to install some light on the new display. So we're gonna have to install some light in there. Install some light in there. So this is gonna be some light in there that's gonna go in. Here's this light, which we're to do this. It'll be one of it shines on this one is gonna shine right here, and that one's this one's gonna shine right there, and this one is gonna shine over there. So let's get into it. I want to make sure the power is off. Shut off the power. Shut off the power. Shut off the power. We're gonna now it's time for the installation. Now it's time for the installation. Now it's installation time. Alright, strong. Alright, now they're installed in. Now installed up. Shut off all the regular lights in there. Shut off the regular lights. And it turned out really good. Move this one open. Move this one a little bit. As you can see, hope it works, but I hope does not cause any exposure. Just turn it down a little bit. That could be good. There you go, turn that like that. Turn it like that. So, as you can see, it looks really good. See? It works with the switch. So I can have the lights off during this display, so it actually works, and I actually love it so much. Guys, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.